I'm Darren Chetty and I'm writer and presenter of The Dragon on My Shirt. The reaction this evening has been fantastic, and I just heard someone say people have come expecting just to see a football documentary, but they've got so much more and there's a lot of other conversations. And I think that's what we're really set out to do, is to foreground football, but to put it in a broader context of understanding racism, multiculturalism and Wales.
I'm Vicky Morton and I am the director of Dragon on My Shirt. My initial thought was I want to work on that simply because it sounded like a good topic that hadn't really been explored. I was nervous of taking on directing at first, but I feel like I learned loads, and Darren was really easy to work with. Everyone was really easy to work with.
Well, brilliant. Yeah, fantastic. I mean, lots of people came out to support, but also just to have those conversations, hear from us and hear the stories. So really, really nice, really enjoyable, and lots of positive stuff coming from it as well.
I ditto everything he's just said because he wrapped it up great, but it was a great night. Audience were fantastic, setup was great, everything.
The series is fantastic, it's well put together. I just think the point about racism was really well documented and really put across well.
It was nice to kind of bring together different allies and also ethnic minority people involved in football across Wales and kind of put them in a room together and see what they say. I thought that was really interesting.
There was a few things that I didn't even know, especially regarding Eddie Paris. It's not right for someone's story not to be told, because it's a contribution they've made that would inspire people and empower people.
I think it just needs to have the discussion. Do you know what I mean? I think as long as the discussion is continuing, it's important, and as long as people continue to be uncomfortable, we need to continue to have those uncomfortable conversations and raise the awareness of everybody, even if they're not involved or have experienced racism. It's everybody's responsibility.
I think collaboration was at the heart of this project. For me, it was stepping into the unknown, and to have, Vicky with her experience and Luke Daly with his experience, that sort of collaborative project I think really helped. And I think when we were filming, it was also clear to the people we were meeting and interviewing that there was collaboration and discussion involved, so they immediately became part of that ethos.
It's more important than just throwing it on social media and letting it get lost in the ether. Like, all you need, if you're a Welsh football fan, you don't need to go to those places. It's all there on RedWall Plus.